Hello, everybody, and welcome to another reaction of a Make Some Noise episode. Yeah, today we have Jacob and Angela here, and the third guest, I don't even know, but I love Jacob and I love Angela. So let's jump into it.
Not waiting for
Yes.
me to finish their introduction.
I got you. You can do fucking 25, Sam. Let's go. Give
Yeah,
me a
I
bongo.
love
I am
Jacob.
the bongo. Boom, 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 ding, boom, ding, dong. A baseball player taking his
Hmm.
ball, rounding the bases.
Ah, Kurt.
Baloney.
That is gone.
Yeah,
Hell
bye bye.
yeah. Got it. Yeah, I'm going. First, Dodger Stadium. That's second.
Hmm.
Get loud.
And hiding that her hands are
Hmm.
not together, it's Angela Giarratana.
Um,
How y'all doing?
um, Good, Angela.
Hey, nice to see you. Here,
Ah,
two.
make some noise. This intro is great. It is fantastic. It gives me a lot of graphic design. Um, a graphic designer who knows what he does or she does
Make some
or they
noise.
does.
The game's so good, we
Does
want it
do.
unchanged. I am your host, Sam Reich. Here's how the show works. This is a little mini game that we like to call a challenger appears. Our
Okay.
players are going to step
There's
forward at
somebody
the
come
top and
out.
speak on a
Oh.
topic expertly. If at any point they would like to challenge each other, they may do so by buzzing in and yelling challenge. Last player speaking at the end of 3 minutes wins. Your
Oh,
topic
3
is
minutes.
developing your taste in music.
Okay.
Jacob,
You're gonna
Hmm.
love what you listen to when you're 15.
what you
Challenge.
like, Angela?
Nostalgia is lies.
I love
You
it.
liked a song because you were in second grade and you heard it. That
Kids Bop song is a worse version of the regular song. You ever heard Wet Ass Pussy by Kids Bop? If you want to listen to good music, Tony Hawk
Oh,
Pro
wow.
Skater.
Hmm.
Challenge.
They might.
It's only saying that because I played the Tony Hawk Pro Skater playlist
Yeah.
before we filmed this episode to get the
Oh,
vibes
okay.
Called the fuck out.
Don't
Oh,
say
yeah.
words unless you're hot. You can steal my idea if you're hot.
Unless you're hot.
I feel like I'm hot enough to steal an idea. Not all the ideas, but I
Wow.
got one.
Wow.
Kurt is not hot enough to steal ideas.
Ooh, shots fired.
It's yours, 20 seconds.
A hot
Pikachu. Jacob, an early front runner in this game where the
Hmm.
points don't matter.
You know what does matter when your friend says you're not hot.
Now, that I think is uncontestable. And I say that because we look similar.
Yeah, if Kurt's not hot, you're not hot for sure.
That brings us to round one. Jacob,
Hey man, happy to be here.
these haunted house sounds doesn't belong.
Oh. Good job. Good job.
Do you want to buy a new car?
It is great.
2006 Scion. My CDs are still in the. No, my spleen, my body, no. It's got new tires.
Yeah.
Just the longest explanation of a Halloween costume.
Hmm. Okay.
Right? Season 4, episode 2, the prologue. I know. So in the back, the door opens. Do you remember in another season of The Leftovers where that girl walks through the door? This is
The
that door.
leftovers.
And,
Wow, I
right
didn't
here, I'm doing
think
kind
we
of
would
a bit of
call
a
out to the
blog of, like, queer
leftovers.
culture. Wait, hold on, stop. Come over here. Do you remember season 4, episode 2? Yeah, in the back. In the back.
Of the second chicken, if they are compatible, you will make your chickens fuck. And they want to do that. If they are not compatible, you will come back to me for another
Oh my God.
chicken egg.
Yeah. Okay, okay. That will work.
They will lay an incubated chicken egg. An incubated chicken egg becomes an incubated chicken egg. Once you have an offspring of a chicken.
Brings us to Mr. Kirk.
Mr. Sam.
Gangster
Mr.
Joe
Mister.
Perry wants a word with Sam Reich about
Oh.
Make Some Noise.
Okay.
Oh, Sam, come in. Take a seat. It is so good that we finally met. You know, because we've been circling each other for some time. And really what we've been circling is each other's businesses. More specifically, my business. More specifically, we have a problem. Don't look away. I have stationed my guards behind me.
Yes.
Wayne Brady. Na 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 na. Colin Mockery.
I'm tall.
Colin thinks he's Ryan Stiles. It's weird. It's weird. You're bald, not tall.
The warp zone. How it works is, players, I am going to apply face filters to each of your faces.
What?
See it merely by looking down the barrel of this lens.
This is what I do at
Okay.
home when I'm sad and alone.
Your assignment is simple one.
Oh, that's
I
amazing.
merely want you to create a character based on the.
Hey, man, are you good, dude? Hey, bro.
Oh
It's
my
not
God.
regular water, man.
Go drink the
I'm
water.
laced, man. I would have told you, but I didn't see you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Like four.
Okay.
See what inspires you.
Hey guys, we got free iPads out here in Alhambra. Come on, pick up your free iPads. These iPads are nice.
I
All right.
feel like
And
I've
come with
seen this
tickets to Six
character.
Flags. We're going on roller coasters.
Where you want to be in it, and then who? Oh God!
Oh my God. Oh my God. No, Jacob.
You are not aware that this is a shared Airbnb? Yes, I'm directly across the hall from
Oh
you,
my
but I'm
God.
only interested in sharing the kitchen.
Oh my
If you
God.
don't mind, I'll be cooking what I call American dal, which is, of course, a classic Indian dish with American
Oh my God.
spices. I love a little bit of cumin. I love a little bit of lemongrass.
That was
Oh,
amazing.
shared Airbnb.
You're not aware?
for both of you, Mr. Kurt,
Mr. Sam.
Angela.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend's grandma thinks of herself as your grand girlfriend.
What? Good.
I'm letting myself in because you told me to do that last time.
Of course. Come on in.
Jessica just wanted me to swing by and return
Hmm.
the towels that you let us borrow.
Oh, honey, you didn't text me back.
Oh, I didn't see that you texted me. I actually wanted to talk about it's a little odd because it was me and Jess, and we were shirtless, or I was shirtless, and
I like you shirtless.
it just felt like a little uncomfortable.
Oh, speaking of uncomfortable, you haven't wished me a happy anniversary since we started hooking up.
And Amy, it's the anniversary.
Oh
with
my
me and
God.
Jessica.
Yes, but you're
Hmm.
hooking up, and you came here, and I baked you bread. We're hooking up.
Draws. And I'm here with our expedition leader.
Amanda Rebenholtz.
If you're hearing this, everybody else on the expedition has died. The mountain was simply too gnarly. There was too much sick shit going on.
Oh my God.
Our Captain Reynolds was on a BMX biking
Hmm.
expedition to scout ahead, and he did 3 backflips off the mountain and splattered on the ground.
You're probably wondering about our forward expedition crew.
Angela
Yeah.
and Jacob.
Okay.
Cheerleaders cheer a eulogy for their fallen classmates.
Hmm.
D.
This
E.
is-
A. D. Brianna is gone, and my heart's real sad.
Brianna,
Oh
you're
my
gone again. I'm
God.
feeling really bad.
What if we didn't have a
No.
boss?
What if we didn't find her body?
Her body was and the.
That brings us to round 3, where our players will now hold hands and jump into
Aw.
this together.
Oh.
Okay, yeah,
Whee.
Jacob, Mr. Kurt,
Mr. Sam.
and Angela
Yeah.
trying to network in the mosh pit.
Fuck.
Hmm.
Hey,
Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, sorry.
Hey, what's up, Tanner? Tanner.
Joey.
Cool.
Joey.
Hey, what's up? Yeah,
Miranda.
I have a smash burger spot out in my backyard.
Ooh, okay.
I'm
Smash
asking
burgers are
everybody
good. I like
in
that.
Serious?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
social media marketing?
Yeah.
That's so funny you guys brought that up because I'm an actor looking for work.
What have you been in?
What have you been in?
What have you been in?
What are your credits?
What have you?
Where have I seen you from?
noise.
Where have I seen? Say goodbye to your dog.
You're more than welcome to.
And I'm gonna make deep eye contact with you while I do it.
100%. Eat it at the same time.
What?
We've been best friends since we were 3 years old.
Both of you chug this can of beans together.
Oh my.
Chug.
Oh my God.
Get some hot dog too.
Oh my God.
Aim, set, match.
I've loved you and I've always loved you.
I love you
Oh
more,
my
and
god.
I've always loved you more.
Both of you let me down in
Hmm.
different ways. That's what she does in the movie.
That's the movie. That's
Uh.
the movie.
Well navigated, gang. All I know is I'm gonna get a text from Kurt's girlfriend. Are you up in my man? It's crazy.
Sweet.
Hmm.
Mr. Kurt
Mr.
Uh.
Sam.
and
Hmm.
Angela. The founding fathers dissuade Henry
Hmm.
Fartbarf from signing the Declaration of Independence.
Okay.
Since we are all in agreement that we are going to sign this piece of paper in defiance of the king's rule, who will go first?
I shall.
Oh.
Alexander Hamilton.
I'll sign right under Alexander Hamilton.
Oh, we actually didn't see you there, Mr. Poop Fart Barf.
I'll just sign right under
Okay, all right. Hold on. I actually should sign first. Me, John Hancock. So I'll go
Hmm.
first.
Hmm.
John
I'll read it.
Hancock.
Good. Points that they won't tell you about in history books.
Oh.
That brings us to the end of our show.
Oh,
Our
no.
winner tonight,
Ooh.
Angela
Mm.
Iratani.
Yeah.
Good job, Angela. Congrats. Congrats.
You brought it home. You're the recipient
Yes.
of the coveted golden ear.
Aw.
That does it for this year. And make some noise. Tune in next time.
That was
for more
fun.
The Game Samer. I'm Sam Reich. and
Yes.
That sounds pretty good to me. Good
It
night.
sounds good to me as well. Yeah, I hope you all had as much joy with this episode as I did. What a silly bunch. I love them. So yes, this was the episode, and thank you all for watching. It was a lot of fun, a ton of fun. I love Angela and I love Jacob, and Kurt was also funny here, and they all had great chemistry. I need to maybe I don't know what Kurt does, but I'm also maybe he does not a lot of online stuff, so that's why I'm not so familiar with him. But Sam, as always, great host. Yeah, they all killed. It was a joy as always. And it also would be a great joy for me if you would leave a like and a comment. It helps me out a lot. In general, if you want to support somebody online, it is the easiest and cheapest way to do so. I know we're not all fan of the algorithm, but yeah, it is what it is, sadly. And I hope you will all have a great day, and we will see us next time. Bye.